Good morning. Hope you have learned about the different types of polynomials. Now, today we are going to start find the value of a polynomial when the value of the variable is given. Means they will give you a polynomial and variable also will be there. Instead of that variable, they will give you one number. Just substitute it and what is the value we are getting, that is the answer. For example, suppose first question, P of y is equal to 2y minus 3. And they ask you to substitute, instead of y, you have to substitute 1 by 2. Or just you substitute 2. Okay. What you have to do then? Already they told you that instead of this y, you have to substitute 2. Wherever the y is, just substitute the value. So, P of, instead of y, you have to substitute 2 equals 2 into 2 minus 3. What will you get now? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 3. What will you get the answer? 1. So, P of 2 equals 1. What is the meaning of that? When this is the polynomial and when you substitute the value of the variable is given and you can find out the value of the polynomial now. Clear? Substitute the, suppose they are asking you to find out when y is equal to 2 and substitute they ask you to find out y is equal to negative 1. What you are going to do? Just substitute, first you write the question now. P of y is equal to 2y minus 3. Then substitute the values given. So, instead of y, they are asking you to substitute negative 1. So, P of negative 1 equals 2 into negative 1 minus 3. Now, look, this is one family together it is. Here one subtraction on addition comes means the 3 is other family. Clear? The second family. This is the first family means here subtraction and then this is the next family. So, here first you finish the connection between these two. So, here 2 into negative 1 is negative 2 minus 3. What you are going to do now? Here we know that what is the rule? Take the additive inverse and add for the subtraction. Take the additive inverse of the second. Now, 3 got positive here. There is no negative, that means it is positive. Take the additive inverse, negative 3. Take the additive inverse of second and add plus. Clear? So, that is the rule you have to remember. Now, next rule, what is the next rule? Addition with same sign. What do you have to do? Add and put the same sign. Add. So, it is 5. Put the negative sign. Clear? Put the same sign means here it is negative sign. So, once again I will repeat. What you have to find out, they will give you one variable and that variable will be in the polynomial and variables number, that means which number you have to substitute for the variable also they will give you. Here it is P of y is the polynomial and it is y is equal to 2. That means instead of y, you have to substitute 2 in that polynomial. Wherever you are just seeing that y in that polynomial, just substitute this. So, P of y is equal to P of 2 and instead of y it is 2. You will get y 4 minus 3, you will get the answer 1. Again they had given you one question, y is equal to, when it is y is equal to negative 1, what happens? Just substitute it. P of y is equal to 2y minus 3, that is the polynomial they had given you. Then what you should do? Instead of y is equal to negative 1, P of negative 1, substitute instead of y it is negative 1 and then minus 3, you will get the answer like this. Here when your subtraction comes means you have to remember the rule. What are the rules you have to remember? Addition. Addition between two numbers. 2 plus 3, you will get the answer 5. Negative 2 plus negative 3, it is negative 5. Right? What are negative 2 plus 3? How will you find out? So, first one I told you Negative 2 plus negative 3, you'll get the answer 5. 2 plus 3, you'll get the, here negative 5 you'll get, okay. Both the same sign it will be. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here the condition is when the addition is there with the same sign, add and put the same sign. Here, now look, different sign addition means what you have to do? Substitute, just subtract. 3 minus 2, you'll get the answer 1. Put the bigger one sign. What is the bigger one sign? 3 and the sign is positive here. So 1 is there. This is for the rules for the addition of integers. Because these all things we want for this question. Clear? The next one, subtraction. What is the rule for subtraction? Subtraction means already you know, main thing you know, from the LKG onwards, bigger minus smaller, you will get the answer. Suppose 5 minus 3, you will get the answer 2, right? Suppose here it is negative 5 minus 3. Now what you should do is subtraction comes here. That means you have to find out the rule. The rule is find out the additive inverse of the second and add. Here is this is the second. So negative 5 and the additive inverse of the second 3, yes, positive here, nothing, no other sign is there means it is positive. Take the opposite, additive inverse means opposite. So negative 3 and add. Now look, now the rule comes for the addition of the same sign. That means add and put the same sign. Clear? Then these are things you have to remember. Suppose here it is negative 5 minus negative 3. Okay, what will you do? Negative 5. Then here it is negative 3 is there. That you have to do it as positive 3. Minus becomes addition. Now look, different sign addition. Subtract and put the bigger one side. Subtract 5 minus 3. When you subtract, no need to take the sign and all. Just 5 minus 3, you'll get 2. And bigger one sign is negative 2 you'll get. Clear? Now look, don't think that positive 2 and negative 2 are no problem if you are not putting negative sign. No, it is big wrong. Here just look, here it is 0. Here it is 1, 2. Here it is negative 1. Here it is negative 2. Here positive 2 is there means this end it comes as negative 2. So there is a value for the signs. SIGN sign. Make it correctly. When you are getting the question and all, just remember that if the negative sign is, be careful. Clear? Okay, now we will do the question from exercise number 2.2. First question. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0. First question. Second question, x is equal to negative 1. Third question, x is equal to 2. That means they had given you the polynomial and you have to substitute instead of x. First number it is, or first question it is, put x is equal to 0. What will you get as the polynomial? Or what will you find out the value of the polynomial? Okay, let's start now. First what you should write? You have to substitute as p of x, polynomial of x, because the variable is here x. Here is x, only x is there means p of x you have to substitute. So p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Okay, now first question. When x is equal to 0, now what do you have to do? Instead of x, you have to substitute 0 in this polynomial. Now we'll substitute then p of 0 equals 5 into 0, 5 into x, 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. Clear? So just substitute instead of x, just I put 0 there because they ask you to find out first one x is equal to 0. Okay, then 5 into 0, any value I just multiply with 0, you will get the answer 0 itself. 0 minus 4 into 0 square, 4 into minus 4, here it is minus is there. So now itself you have to practice, take the minus or negative with the answer itself, into 0 into 0. What is 0 into 0? 0. Negative 4 into 0. Here these two zeros multiply, you will get the answer 0. What is negative 4 into 0? 0 you will get. So here 0 plus 3. Now 0 minus 0 you will get 0 plus 3. What is 0 plus 3? 3. So when p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3, and when the value x is equal to 0, you will get the answer 3. Clear? Second question then. When x is equal to negative 1, p of x is already out, right? Once again, 5x minus 4x square plus 3. What is the next step? Substitute negative 1 instead of x. So, p of negative 1 equals 5 into negative 1 minus 4 into negative 1's whole square. Why I put bracket here? Because already it is 1 with negative sign. So, plus 3. Then it is 5 into negative 1. It is negative 5. 5 into 1, 5. Negative into positive, negative. Minus 4 into negative 1 square, negative 1 into negative 1. It is negative into negative, positive. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3. Clear? The next, negative 5 minus 4 plus 3. Then negative 5, negative 4. If your doubt means just write in the working column. So, it is negative 5 minus 4 plus 3. These are all finished. Okay. What you are going to do is, just two methods are there. If you start, first method, if you start from here, what will you get then? Negative 5. Then here it is positive 4 is there. Negative 4, add the inverse and add. Plus 3. Here, negative 5 plus negative 4, negative 9. Plus 3. Then what is negative 9 plus 3? Different sign addition. Subtract and put the bigger one sign. Subtract 6, you will get bigger one is 9. Negative sign, negative 6. Okay. This is method 1. What are the method 2? Now look, negative 5 minus 4 plus 3. Now you have to take these two. Take the first one there itself. Minus 4 plus 3. What will I get? Minus 4 or negative 4 plus different sign addition. Subtract and put the bigger one sign. 4 minus 3 will get the answer 1. Bigger one is negative 4 is there. So it is negative 5 plus negative 1. You will get the answer. Here it is add the inverse and add. So negative 6 you will get. Which one you are thinking that it is easier, that you are just do it as your own. Okay. You will get the answer as negative 6. Okay, clear? Now one more is there. What is it? When x is equal to 2. So here we will do. When, third question, 1, 2, 3. When x is equal to 2. Okay, what you have to do first? Write the polynomial first. P of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Then you have to substitute instead of what? Instead of x you have to substitute 2 because they had given you 2 there. So P of 2 equals 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. Now look, I put the bracket because here it is square is there and here it is multiple. Here there is no need. If you put into there, no problem. I just put it in the bracket, no problem. If you are writing as 5 into 2. Okay. When square cubes comes means you have to keep it in bracket. And one more thing, when the negative sign comes also, keep it in bracket. Minus 4 into 2 into 2, 4 plus 3. 5 into 2, 10 minus 16 plus 3. What you are going to do now? Here it is 10 minus 16. Take the addition or just you have to, what is 16 minus 10? You will get the answer 6. What is 10 minus 16? Think that this will be opposite sign. It will be negative 6. Just look. 10, add its inverse and add plus. Positive 16 is there. It will be negative 16 plus 3. What will you get then? Here it is negative 6. I told you, what is just opposite you have to remember. What is 16 minus 10? Bigger minus smaller. You will get the answer 6. What is opposite 10 minus 16? It is, other one is positive 6. This one is negative 6. So, negative 6 plus 3, you will get the answer. Different sign addition, subtract and put the bigger one sign. You will get the answer negative 3. Clear? Okay. The next question from exercise number 2.2 itself. Second question. Find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. That means they will give you the polynomial and you have to substitute instead of the variable 0 first. Find out the answer for that. Again, what you have to do? For the second question, again you have to take the polynomial, substitute instead of the variable that 1. Then the third one, again same thing you have to do. Instead of the variable, substitute 2. Clear? Okay. The question is, P of y is equal to, first question, P of y equals y square minus y plus 1. Here, they told no need to give x is equal to something. They are asked you to do, if I am giving P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2, what you are going to do? So, the same way. So, first what you should do? Just take the polynomial P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. And first thing you have to do, first question P of 0. That means instead of y, you have to substitute 0 there. 0 square is there, keep it in bracket. Okay, minus 0 plus 1 equals 0 square, 0 into 0, 0 minus 0 plus 1. What is 0 minus 0? 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 by something, it is 0. But when the denominator comes as 0, what happens? It is not defined. Clear? 2 by 0, it is not defined. So, here is 0 minus 0 is 0 plus 1 equals, so what is 0 plus 1? 1. So, P of 0 equals 1. Now, do the second one B. Find out P of 1. So, before finding out what you have to do, write the polynomial first. So, polynomial is P of y equals y square minus y plus 1. Then what you have to substitute? P of 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. What is 1 square? It is 1 into 1. That means 1 itself. 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay. What is minus 1 plus 1? It is 0 plus 1. You will get the answer 1. If you just do from here minus 1 and plus 1 cancel, what is the balance? 1 is also there. So, next one C. P of 2. How will you find out P of 2? P of 2 means substitute in P of y. So, first what you should do? You have to write P of y. So, P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. So, P of 2. Start to apply 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 2 plus 1. What is 4 minus 2? It is 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 1 equals 2 plus 1, 3. So, P of 2 is equal to 3, P of 1 is equal to 1 and P of 0 is equal to 1. Remember that you have to do the integers operations. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication with the integers. Integers means positive sign, negative sign and 0. You have to do it carefully. Now we will do the second question. P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So, same thing. First one, P of 0 you want to find out A. So, when you are doing P of 0, first you have to write P of t. That means P of t means what? In that polynomial, variable only t will be the. So 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Just look, they are not in order according to the degree, it is not in no problem for that, okay. Now you can just find out only for the value. Just substitute it, you will get the answer. So P of 0 equals 2 plus, instead of t, 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. When I am just doing, you have to do it in your mind also. Anyway, you have to write the notes. Before that, when I am doing, just do it in your mind and just tell to yourself, this is the answer. Okay. So 2 plus 0, first you finish this one. 2 into 0 is 0. That means 2 into 0 into 0 into, it will be 0 minus 0 into 0 into 0, 0. So it is 2 plus 0, it is 2, plus 2 into 0, it is 0 minus 0. So here it is 0 minus 0, 2 plus 0, you will get the answer 2. So P of 0 is equal to 2, you will get. Okay. Then second question, B. You have to substitute instead of t, number 1. So it is P of t, you have to write P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Okay, just substitute then P of 1. It is 2 plus, here there is, why I taken 2 itself, because here there is no t. Where there is t is there only I have to substitute. So P of 1 means it is 1, then 2 into t square, it is 1 square minus 1 cube. Okay, then 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1, 1. If you doubt means first you just write the step itself. Then next one you have to do the solving and all. So 2 into 1 square means 1 into 1 minus 1 cube means 1. Here it is 2 plus 1 plus, here it is 2 into, first you do the multiplication then only addition. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1. Here plus 1 is there, minus 7 is just you can cancel. Okay, what is the next answer then? 2 plus 2, you will get the answer 4. Otherwise, how will you do? It is 2 plus 1, 3, then plus 2 minus 1. 2 plus 2, 5, minus 1, you will get the answer 4 also. Okay, clear? This is the way you have to do. The next one, so here either only one way will be needed. Okay, plus 1 is there and minus 1 is there, just you at it and you will get the answer 2 plus 2, 4. Now the third one, see, so write P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square plus minus, not plus, minus t cube. Okay, now equals, what you have to do? Last one, P of 2 you have to find out. P of 2 equals 2 plus t means 2 plus, here if you don't put 2 bracket also no problem, 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Okay, it is, what is 2 plus 2? 4 plus 2 into, what is 2 square? 2 into 2, it is 4 minus 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. What will I get? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, you will get the answer 8. So here minus 8. Here again multiplication is there. So we will do it as first 4 plus 2 into 4, 8 minus 8. We will get the answer. Here it is plus 8 minus 8 is there. Answer will get 4. Okay. So this is the second question. Now I will do the third question. Okay, now third question. Very simple question. P of x is equal to x cube. You have to find out P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Just substitute it. Instead of x, just substitute the values, you will get the answer. First one, a is equal to P of 0. So just write the polynomial first. P of x is equal to x cube. So P of 0, it is 0 cube. What is 0 cube? 0 into 0 into 0. You'll get the answer 0 itself. Okay. The second one, B. You have to find out P of x is equal to x cube. You have to find out P of 1. P of 1 equals 1 cube. What is 1 cube? 1 into 1 into 1. You'll get the answer 1. Now see. Again what you have to write? Write the polynomial. P of x is equal to x cube. And then P of 2 you have to find out. P of 2 means what you have to do? Instead of x, just substitute 2 there. 2 cube. That means 2 into 2 into 2. So what will I get? 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. This is the fourth question. P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Two methods are there. Any one method you can do. Okay. For the notes you can write the two methods. For the exam only one method is needed. Okay. This is the first method I am going to do. So P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Can you remember any identity there? A minus b into a plus b. Here this one is a minus b into a plus b. What is a? X. Just look, a is equal to x. B is equal to what? Here it is b is equal to what? Here this minus is there, minus is there. And then plus is there, and here it is plus is there. Clear? So, what is A then what is B? A is equal to x and B is equal to 1. So, A minus B into A plus B equals A square minus B square. Just substitute it. So, x minus 1 into x plus 1 equals x square minus 1 square equals x square minus 1. 1 square means 1 into 1, 1. So, what you can do is, just instead of substituting this one, substitute here also. The numbers which are going to substitute in this P of x, substitute here. Okay. We will start now. So, P of x is equal to x square minus 1. Then P of 0 equals 0 square minus 1. What is 0 square? It is 0 minus 1. You will get the answer minus 1. Don't leave this minus sign, okay? Here it is negative 1. Next one then here it is a B. P of x is equal to x square minus 1. Then P of 1 is equal to P of 1 equals 1 square minus 1. 1 square means 1 into 1 minus 1. That means 1 minus 1. What will you get? 0. Okay. Then third one C. P of x is equal to x square minus 1. So, P of 2 equals, just substitute 2 square minus 1. You will get 4 minus 1. You will get the answer 3. So, these are the three answers you will get. Instead of you just substitute x minus 1 into x plus 1, both will be equal to x square minus 1. So, either you can substitute this one or this one. So, in the next method, we will substitute in the question itself. Here we simplified and we substitute and got the answer. Same thing if you are not simplified also you will get. Okay. Find out. Method 2. P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Bracket means it is into there. Okay. Now, first one P of 0 equals 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. What is 0 minus 1? Negative 1 into, here this one close means it is into 0 plus 1, 1. What is negative 1 into 1? It is 1 into 1 is 1. Negative into positive, negative. Negative 1 you will get as P of 0. What are the next one? Second one B. This is A. P of x is equal to, write P of x once again, x minus 1 into x plus 1. Then what is P of 1? P of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. What is minus 1 minus 1? It is 0 into 1 plus 1 is 2. What is 0 into 2? You'll get the answer 0. Anything with the multiplication with 0, you'll get the answer 0 itself. Now see, P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Then again substitute P of 2. P of 2 equals 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. What is 2 minus 1? It is 1. 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. So P of 2 is equal to 3. Just find out whether it is correct or not. P of 0 is equal to negative 1. P of 1 is equal to 0. P of 2 is equal to 3. Hope everything is clear. I will give the homework. Thank you very much.